Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Alipay login not working. First, double check your mobile number or email address and password to make sure there are no typing errors. Even a small mistake can prevent login. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure that it is stable. Now, if you forgotten your password, tap on more and then retrieve password and forgot password and follow the steps to reset it. You can also try logging in using a verification code to instead of your password if that option is available. Another helpful step is to swipe up on the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and then reopen it. Restart your phone to clear temporary issues. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, then search for the Alipay Hong Kong app and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can cause login problems. If the issue still continues, it could be a temporary server issue, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the AlipayHK login not working. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.